The holiday season brings excitement, cheer, and the hope that our faith in humanity will be restored. But for many first responders, this time of year intensifies stress, exhaustion, financial strain, and the emotional weight of witnessing suffering up close. We carry images that few others ever see. A cardiac arrest illuminated by holiday lights, an injured child spending Christmas in a hospital bed, wrapped gifts scattered across a crash scene where a grandmother lost control on black ice. For EMS volunteers, the holidays are a double-edged sword. There is freedom to stay longer on scenes to comfort neighbors, enjoy local festivities, and limit exposure by working part-time. But the hardest calls often involve people you personally know, and the emotional toll follows you home. You go home exhausted, unable to sleep, facing co-workers who haven't witnessed the same horrors. Your phone rings nonstop because the entire town wants details you cannot, and would not want to, relive. Leaders must ensure that peer support is available for every squad member. Create a buddy system and stay alert to anyone struggling with personal, financial, or emotional challenges during the season. Offer multiple social opportunities, cookie or ornament swaps, holiday movie nights, potluck dinners with inexpensive gifts, or babysitting at the station so members can run errands. These activities strengthen bonds and reinforce a sense of belonging. Ensure someone is always on call for moral support. Thank each member personally for their contributions. Give meaningful gifts like jackets, conference passes, or restaurant vouchers, and let the members pick what matters most. Some providers grow discouraged responding to late-night calls that stem from loneliness, grief, addiction, or depression. Listen to their frustration, then gently remind them that empathy, a hand held without judgment, can save countless unseen lives. Find solace in the small victories. Find salvation in providing comfort to those who have suffered the unimaginable. What you do matters, always. The holiday season isn't tied to religion. It's a mindset. It's a time to reaffirm the value of local service, strengthen bonds, and create momentum for a hopeful new year. Even the smallest kindness can bring the greatest reward. Take care of yourselves, your partners, and your community. Be the light in the darkness, the voice of reassurance, and the calm in the storm. Volunteering is its own reward.